Today we are going to learn adding number, doing fast calculation. This is an example like when we are having a good amount of numbers and we want to add it very fast, how we can do it. Suppose we have got some list of numbers, say 33, 27, 52, 68, 73, 24. Now we have to add these numbers in a quick way. So what the traditional way, like we keep on summing up all the list of uh, digits, and then we'll be making a carry and doing the sum. Instead of doing this, what we can do, like we will be making two digit addition and seeing like if it coming as 10, we will be putting a dash sign or any symbol through which we can identify like this is the place where uh, 10, 10, 10 has appeared. Okay, so afterwards whatever the rest number comes, we will be adding with that. Okay, so let's do this. Like we can see, adding 3 plus 7, it becomes 10. So it, when it becomes 10, we'll be just putting up a star over here. Like this is the symbol, like 10 appeared. Now what is carried forward? It's a 0. I mean nothing is carried forward. Now I'll will be adding 0 plus 2. Now we will be getting 2 as a result. 2 as a result. We'll be getting 2 as a result. Now we will add just 8 plus 2. Now again we got the number as 10. We'll just put a star over here, 0 again, and 0 plus 3. Now once again it's a 0 3. Now we got the number as 3. Now we'll be adding 3 plus 4. Now the value came as 7. Now we can see like there are two stars. It means we have got 20 which is need to be carried forward. We will be putting up 2 and we'll be add just 2 plus 3 is 5. In similar fashion, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we got the number 7. uh, and whatever I'm showing, you have to keep this in mind to while doing the calculation. I'm just showing it to put the representation on. Okay, so here is the 7. We have to do 7 plus 5. Now in this case, what happens is one more time we will be getting a star over here, that it's 10. And in 7 plus 5, how much number is remain? We got as 2. Now 2 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, now we have to add 8 plus 7. So we put up a star over here again, and we we are left with 5. Okay, now we have to do 5 plus 2 is 7. Now how many stars are there? 1, 2. So we have to keep it as 2. So the end result is coming up to 77. Okay, now I'm just taking up a new example, like uh, in which I'm just not putting all these stuffs again. I'll put a bit faster so that you can see how cleanly we can do it. I'm taking some of the numbers right now. Suppose it's 7 7. 82, 53, 74, 86, 12. Okay, now let's check out, like, 7 plus 2 is 9, and again we will be getting a star over here because we are getting 10, and there is a 2, so it's 4 plus 2 is 6, and again we will be getting up a star over here once again. Since it was 6, so we will be having 6 plus 4 is 10, and we are again left with 2, so it's 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Now see the number of stars, it's 2. Now 2 plus 7 is 9, and now 9 plus 8, we have to put it a star, and which number goes forward, what is left is 7. So 7 plus 5, and 7 plus 5, we uh, once again we get the star, that is 10, and we are left with 2. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, so 9 is here. Now again here we get a star, 9 plus 8, so 9 plus 8 is one is 10 and another is 7. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. Now how many stars are there? It's 3, so total number is 384. Okay, now one more example I'm showing you so that uh, it become very clear. I'm just taking few numbers once again, like say 23, 52, 74. So next number is 56, 38. I'm just taking some random numbers. It's and I'm giving showing you with some example so that uh, you can have some understanding like what I really want to do in this. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 6. Now here we will be getting a star. Okay, so the number which is going to be carried forward is 5. Now 8 plus 5, now again we will be getting a star over here, and number which is going to be carried forward is 3. So 3 3 plus 3 is 6, so we'll be writing the number 6, and the number which is going to be uh, carried is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 7, again we'll be getting one star over here. In this uh, uh, we will be number which is going to get carried forward is 6, since 9 plus 1 is 10, and afterwards 6 is getting carried forward. Now uh, 6 plus 5 is 10 again. uh, I mean, 6 is getting carried forward, and 6 plus 5 we will be getting remain with 1. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Now the total number of stars are 2, so result is 276. So this is the way so that in which we can do the fast calculation and do the addition. Thank you.